We are driving to the trailhead of Mount Baker, and the past 3 days have been rest days, kind of because we've been weathered out and also just like resting the legs. And it's been really rainy, cloudy, snowy, so we haven't really laid any eyes on any volcanoes since we left Mount St. Helens. Feels pretty rejuvenating to like get our first view at a volcano again, because even we've been hanging out down here all day and it's been super cloudy, so we haven't had the chance to see like Mount Baker yet. And as we're driving up to the trailhead, the summit is starting to come into view, and getting pretty psyched. 3 in the morning here at the trailhead, and it's time to make our attempt at Mount Baker. First substantial snow patch of the day. But I guess Will's feeling risky this morning. I feel like it's been like flat, snowless, and wet for like 3 days. Yeah. I want to go up on snow and be dry. That's how I feel. Maybe some sun would be nice too. Some sun would be pretty chill. There's like a lot of clouds still though. A-framed out of my mind. Like super high on A-frames. Jeff called transition. Jeffrey Hodges says transition to your skis. The famous Jeff transition prediction. We have stashed our shoes and finally made the transition to ski boots and skis after quite a while. Hopefully the skis on, skis off game is in our favor today. Epic. Epic. So we're at 6,000 feet right now, starting to put the ropes on, and we got about, I think like 4,700 feet of elevation gain left to go, and we've already done about close to 3,000 feet of gain. So summit is covered right now, but hopefully it starts to come into view as we get closer. crevasse starting to poke out right there. Summit of Mount Baker via the Coleman-Deming route. Nice job. I think we're pretty much the only peak in Washington right now that is visible. Pretty cool to be up here above the clouds like this. Yeah. He's a skier! No way.
That was kind of scary. We're about 200 vertical feet down from the summit of Mount Baker because the wind is lighter here. This one was pretty sick. This is definitely the sickest one so far. It's been a lot more like what I expected of this trip. Like 7,000 vertical gain in a day, crevasse risk, and like just epic scenery all the way up. Pretty awesome summit.
Icy. It almost feels like it got worse.
Yeah, I don't think we should move from here until we can see.
No, I don't think so either. We're kind of in an abyss right now.
There's crevasses to our right.
Yep. And there's crevasses down there. We need to go somewhere that way. We are waiting out the whiteout right now. sun came out for a moment. Yeah, I say we just wait till we get like another momentary clear. Yeah, at least the pitch is like a little bit not as steep now. It's like slightly puckering, like holding an edge on that. So right now we're just taking it one little cloud clearing at a time. We're back on the ridge, which is really good. And we just descended the Roman wall, which was right there.
As you can clearly see.
As you can clearly see in a whiteout. So now we're gonna take another break, wait for another clearing, then make our way down the ridge.
This is survival skiing 101. You gotta wait until you see the line.
He sees the line.
Currently navigating through the whiteout with looming crevasses.
This is the coolest. I mean, granted, this is the most badass thing I've ever done in my life.
Oh, no.
You all right?
Yeah, I was trying to ride backwards for a second and get a video. Oh, I don't believe my eyes. Visibility! Oh, no way.
Just going straight down, right?
Yeah.
Sweet.
We survived.
We survived. Hello. Here we are.
Yeah, dude.
Hey guys, I took the wrong path. I gotta climb up a little bit. Over.
Hey, not to make you jealous, but we're at our shoes now. Over. Never have I been so happy to find my shoes on a ski descent. Mr. Will taking the walk of shame.
It seemed like climbing up it was cool to me.
Back at the car, and we can see the summit from right here.
That's the second time I've seen that summit.
Like all 7,300 feet that we just descended. Right there.
Holy shit, we did that. Our tent is dry.
Okay. Post-volcano reflection. How are you guys feeling about Mount Baker?
It was an epic. It was a big mountain. It looks big from here. And it was.
Really far away, and then we got up to the top of it.
We found out how big it was.
And then, yeah, we found out exactly how big it was, and then it like tried to kill us just a little bit. on the
Well,
way down.
yeah. It was like, get the hell out of here. The mountain told us to get the hell out of here. But do it slowly and carefully.
Yeah.
I think that,
Yeah.
given the circumstances, I think that we descended it in the safest way possible. It was an epic, but it was like kind of epic because of like how epic the mountain is. But like that, like it wasn't like an epic, like
This guy is just like yapping. But yeah, that was like a cool mountain or whatever. My takeaway is that I left a toilet roll in the public bathroom,
so mad.
and there was no toilet paper in there. And I left a toilet roll in the morning, and I came back, and I was so excited to go to the bathroom. And it was gone. The toilet paper roll was gone.
This guy is welcome to continue to be upset.
I was trying to be a good Samaritan and leave some toilet paper behind, and someone snatched it. Yeah, it's all like the rain and like clouds.
Yeah, the rain and clouds makes you into a bitter person. What's good? What's going on?
So we're bailing on the idea of skiing all 5 of the Washington volcanoes.
Check this out.
Because if you check the weather,
Washington is beautiful.
this is how it's going to be for like the next 10 days before I have to go home. And then we check the weather in California, and it looks fantastic.
Sunny blue skies. So we are on Interstate 5 right now, and we are going to go do Mount Shasta. Because it seems way cooler than waiting around here in the rain.
Yeah, for a weather window that's like probably not going to happen.
Yeah,
So-
it like doesn't like look super promising for the foreseeable like ever.
Yeah.
You know, you got to do what you got to do to ski volcanoes, and if that's driving 10 hours south to
Oh,
technical difficulties.
yeah.
So if that means driving 10 hours south to ski corn on a sunny day, like that sounds pretty good to us.
Yeah, because like after Mount Baker yesterday, like we're not trying to get